Hey Bill, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. Wanted to make this video for you and give you a free attack plan that you can implement right away in order to start outranking some of your competitors online and bringing in some more business. So I have your website pulled up here, and right away I pulled it up. It looks great. You have all your different services down here. Monthly offer section, which is nice. You got links to the back pages, it seems. But other than that, not too much. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was content. And with Google, content is king. They'd like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on that home page alone. And what that's going to allow you to do is rank for different keywords that users are searching for throughout Google to find services such as power washing and gutter cleaning. All right, so I'm going to jump through your website, take a look at some of the back pages here. Okay, you got service areas, that's awesome. One thing we got to make sure is that, all this content looks to be the same. We want to change it up, again, creating new content, and it allows you to rank for specific keywords related to these areas. Then you got your services. And we want to try and get anywhere from 500 to 750 words for each service as well. There's a lot of opportunity, for each service because that's your bread and butter. That's what's going to make you your money, right? So we don't want to neglect those. We want to utilize, all the keywords, that we can find and get people finding, your business for all of these different services because you can get every single one of these pages ranked. It's not just your homepage, right? You want to get your ranked for Philadelphia. You want to get ranked for Windows Philadelphia, Roof Room Repairs Philadelphia, and so on and so on. So everything else looks pretty good, right? Offers is always great. You got your contact. So it's laid out nice. I would just say add more content. So I pulled up a report in a tool we call Ahrefs, all right? And it has your website rank, the UR and the DR, which is the trust and the power coming from your backlinks. And what a backlink is it's just a vote of confidence from another website pointing back to your site. Okay, so you have 10 sites pointing back to yours, all right, and you have 35 backlinks from that. Then you have 15 organic keywords, and then the organic traffic is one. That's probably from being on, the second, third, fourth page of Google, whatever it is. So if we jump into these keywords here, we can kind of see what you're ranking for currently. Looks like you might be on the first page here for Gallagher power washing, which is great. You got Bucks County window cleaning, probably the second page. Gallagher windows. Philadelphia gutter. Okay, we're on the third or fourth page there. All right, so some of these are pretty good. Window cleaning Philadelphia. Gutter cleaning Bucks County. All right, so some of these are good, and we want to get them ranked on the first page so that the traffic, right, you see the traffic is all 0. We want this traffic to be up so that when people are searching for these services, they're clicking on your site because that's the first one they see. So I pulled up a competitor of yours, and you do an array of different things. So I pulled up one specific to power washing, right? You'd think someone who just does power washing, they're going to control the industry or the market, but that's not true if you do the right things with your marketing here. So we have here Deck Pro Power Wash Company, all right, and they are out of Fort Washington, okay? And you can see here they've got lots of content. Okay, they got pictures. I don't think they have 1,000 to 2,000 words. So you can outrank them with your power washing page based off of adding more content. It looks like they have an array of different services as well. We jump onto some of these back pages, they don't have a ton of content again. So adding in more content is definitely going to do it. All right, and then let's jump into their report just to kind of give you a look at what they've got going on. See their rank, their trust flow, and their power here. They've got 222 backlinks, and they have 23 sites pointing back to them. And here you can see they have 347 keywords, and based off of the content, based off of their backlinks, they're getting 139 searches a month going to their website, and you can see the traffic value from that. So if we jump into these keywords here, you can see what they're ranked for, and let's sort this by position. Okay, Deck Pro, they're on the first page. Pressure washing pool deck. See any of them related to the areas. A lot of these searches that are just general terms, they're not going to provide a lot of value, and you can kind of see that from the traffic. It's going down as we look for more keywords. So we would comb through this, find the good ones, you can use them for your site. You can tell here, right, volume is 700, so if you find a good keyword related to one of your services and you're seeing 700 volume, you know, that you could attract 700 people going to your site. And what would that do for your business? So I pulled up another competitor to show you a different example. So here's Stucco, okay, StuccoToday.com. I believe they are out of Fort Washington as well. Yep, right off Bethlehem Pike there. And you can look through their site here. They don't have a ton of content either. So again, you can outrank them for your Stucco page. And let's go to their back pages. They got a little bit more content, nothing crazy. They've got some service areas, but no links to them, so no separate pages. Financing, gallery, projects, resources. Okay, so nothing crazy here. All right, and let's go into their report. So their trust and their power is a little bit better here. 410 backlinks, 74 sites linking to them. Okay, and let's go into their keywords. Let's find some good ones. So Stucco repair, Bucks County, bringing in 10 searches, and you know, Stucco is one of those things where obviously it's a little bit more expensive to do, so you don't need as many searches, right? If you land one of these, it's gonna pay for itself. Let's see, Stucco repair Philadelphia, that's a little bit higher, right? 40 searches, okay. And you know, obviously you do Philadelphia and New Jersey, a couple different areas. Stucco Westchester, here's 20. Stucco contractor, Philadelphia, 30. So adding up, you know, all these keywords, and like I said, more and more content allows you to rank for different keywords. You add up a lot of these keywords. You know, you're looking at 100, 200 search volume, and you're bringing more traffic into your site. So we talked about content, and we talked about the backlinks. The last thing I wanted to mention was citations, right? And what citations have to do with is your Google My Business listing, right? You see that here. William Gallagher Contracting, that's you. And I want to scroll through here, just make sure you have all the information you need. You got your address, phone number, hours, you got pictures, and we want to make sure, you know, these pictures are being saved correctly with the keywords that users are searching for. And it looks like you have a bunch of pictures, which is great. And then we want to look for the description. So no description, it looks like. We want to utilize the description. They allow for 750 characters, so we know max that out. Use the keywords like we talked about. And then, like I said, the citations is what's going to build this up, so that when you search for, you know, Philadelphia gutter cleaning, or you know, whatever service you have in whatever specific area, you're going to see usually this ad section that pretty much everyone skips. You're going to go see this map pack is what we call it, and that's what your Google My Business listing is in, okay, and we want to be in these top 3 spots, all right, and what a citation does is when you build up citations, it puts you in this top 3 spot. Your citation is just your name, your address, your phone number, and business listings throughout the internet, such as, you know, Yelp, Yellow Pages, different things like that, all right, and then again, when someone skips the map pack here, they're going to come down to the organic section and look for, you know, the actual businesses and not these back pages like Yelp and Angie's List, right? Not many people click on that. They want the actual business. They want to go right to you. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks, and we talked about citations. If you thought what we talked about today was useful, feel free to utilize it to bring in some more traffic to your website to increase, you know, your customers. And if you need some help, give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Here's my website, leadsbylordi.com. Talk to you soon.